Good morning and Jai Hind, dear students. Welcome to class of Geography. Dear students, the chapter which is going on is Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. So please open chapter number 8, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. And today we will discuss the other topics of this chapter. So it is my humble request to be with your book. Please be very attentive for next 30 minutes. So let's start Geography chapter number 8, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. So dear students, natural vegetation and wildlife, we are discussing natural vegetation. And we have already discussed many topics. We have discussed about many forests. Today mainly we will discuss about Mediterranean forests. So dear students, Mediterranean forests are found around the Mediterranean Sea. ये जो मेडिटेरेनियन फॉरेस्ट्स हैं वो मेडिटेरेनियन सी के आसपास पाए जाते हैं. इवन दे आर ऑल्सो फाउंड ऑन द वेस्टर्न मार्जिन्स ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट्स इन द टेम्परेट रीजन इन बोथ द हेमिस्फीयर. ठीक है ना. These forests are also found on the western margins of the continents in the temperate region and in the both the hemisphere, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So Mediterranean forests are found around the Mediterranean Sea. These forests are also found on the western margins of the continents in the temperate region in the both the hemisphere. Clear? Now the main areas are found are around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa and Asia. ये main areas हैं जहां पर Mediterranean Sea आप पा सकते हैं. They are I'm talking about continents. They are Europe, Africa and Asia. And other areas outside the Mediterranean region are जो Mediterranean region के बाहर जो areas हैं, they are California, Central Chile, Southwest Africa and Southwest Australia. So these are the areas where Mediterranean forests can be found. Now so dear students, in the Mediterranean region there is a moderate rainfall of about 80 centimeter during the winter season. यहाँ पे जो रेनफॉल है ना मेडिटेरेनियन रीजन का, that is moderate and that is about 80 centimeter during the winter season. हाँ, but the summer season is dry there. वहां पे जो trees हैं they are widely spaced and most of them have broad leaves, long roots and thick bark. वहां पे जितने भी ट्रीज हैं वो वाइडली स्पेस्ड हैं, दूर दूर स्पेस्ड हैं, बट उनके जो लीव्स हैं वो ब्रॉड है, रूट्स बहुत लॉन्ग हैं एंड जो बार्क है दैट इज थिक. एंड सच ट्रीज कैन विथस्टैंड द ड्राई समर कंडीशंस विदाउट शेडिंग देयर लीव्स. लेकिन जो भी ट्रीज हैं वहां पर वो ड्राई समर में भी अपने लीव्स को शेड नहीं करते. सो ट्रीज कैन विथस्टैंड द ड्राई समर कंडीशन. वो ड्राई समर कंडीशंस को झेल लेते हैं और अपने लीव्स को शेड नहीं करते. एंड द ट्रीज आर नॉट वेरी टॉल and have shrubs between them. वहां पे trees बहुत tall नहीं हैं और trees के बीच में shrubs पाए जाते हैं. So this is the condition. So I am repeating it just one more time. In the Mediterranean region, there is a moderate rainfall of about 80 centimeter during the winter season, while the summer season is dry. Trees are widely spaced. They have broad leaves, long roots and thick bark. And such trees can withstand the dry summer conditions without shedding their leaves. Trees are not very tall and they have shrubs between them. After that, now which type of trees you can find in these regions? So the important trees found in the Mediterranean forests are oak, olive, fig, pine, fir, kedar and cypress. These are the important trees which you can find in this region. Then nuts, olive oil and citrus fruits, they are the main products from these forests. Nuts, olive oil and citrus fruits. And you know, the main citrus fruits produced in this region, they are oranges, figs, olives, grapes, peaches and plums. These are the main citrus fruits which are produced in Mediterranean region, and they are oranges, figs, olives, grapes, peaches and plums. After that, in recent years, the natural vegetation has largely been removed to provide land for agriculture and fruit farming. कुछ सालों में जो नेचुरल वेजिटेशन है उसको लार्ज स्केल पे कट किया गया, जिससे कि वहां पे लैंड मिल सके एग्रीकल्चर के लिए और वहां पर फ्रूट फार्मिंग कर सके. That's why the natural vegetation has largely been removed. There is hardly any wildlife in this region. इस रीजन में वाइल्ड लाइफ बहुत कम है, या तो नहीं है या बहुत कम है. ठीक है, तो नेचुरल वेजिटेशन इज रिमूव्ड फॉर एग्रीकल्चर and fruit farming. There is hardly any wildlife in this region. Now the next type of forest is coniferous forests. Dear students, coniferous forests are also known as taiga. This is the other name of coniferous forests, taiga, T-A-I-G-A. These forests are found in a broad belt lying between 50° north and 70° north and in regions of high altitude. High altitude के रीजन में पाया जाता है और 50° नॉर्थ से 70° नॉर्थ के बहुत बड़े एरिया में पाया जाता है. This belt is around the North Polar region. ये नॉर्थ पोलर रीजन के आसपास पाया जाता है, बहुत बड़ा बेल्ट है. एंड द मेन एरियाज आर अलास्का, सदर्न कनाडा, द स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज एंड नॉर्दर्न रशिया. आई एम रिपीटिंग द नेम्स ऑफ द रीजन: अलास्का, सदर्न कनाडा, द स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज एंड नॉर्दर्न रशिया. After that, the plant growth in these forests is slow due to very cold winters and short cool summers. इस फॉरेस्ट में जो प्लांट हैं उनका जो ग्रोथ है वो बहुत स्लो है, क्योंकि वहां पर विंटर्स बहुत कोल्ड होते हैं और जो समर्स हैं शॉर्ट कूल समर्स हैं, बहुत कम समय के लिए समर्स आते हैं, कूल समर्स. So the plant growth is very slow. The coniferous trees are tall. वो tall होते हैं, straight होते हैं एवरग्रीन होते हैं विथ नैरो नीडल लाइक लीव्स, जिसके लीव्स जो हैं नैरो नीडल लाइक होते हैं। मोस्ट ऑफ द ट्रीज हैव सॉफ्ट वुड एंड आर लाइट इन वेट। ज्यादातर ट्रीज जो हैं उनके वुड जो है वो सॉफ्ट वुड है, वेट उसका लाइट है, अंडरग्रोथ नहीं है, देयर इज नो अंडरग्रोथ इन दिस फॉरेस्ट। द ट्रीज ग्रो इन प्योर स्टैंड। यहां पे जो ट्रीज हैं वो प्योर स्टैंड में ग्रो करते हैं। ओके, सो द प्लांट ग्रोथ इज स्लो बिकॉज विंटर्स आर वेरी कोल्ड एंड cool summers are very short. Trees are tall, straight, evergreen. Leaves are narrow needle-like. Most of the trees have soft wood and are light in weight. There is no undergrowth. The trees grow in pure stand. After that, the main types of trees found are spruce, pine, fir, larch, kedar and hemlock. These are the main types of trees which you can find in these forests. They are spruce, pine, fir, larch, kedar and hemlock. These forests are of great commercial value. ये जो फॉरेस्ट है ना, इनका कॉमर्शियल वैल्यू बहुत ज्यादा है। लंबरिंग लार्ज स्केल पे होता है, बहुत सारे ट्रीज कट किए जाते हैं फॉर द डिफरेंट पर्पसेस। द सॉफ्टवुड ऑफ द कॉनिफेरस फॉरेस्ट इज वाइडली यूज्ड टू मेक पल्प, पेपर, फर्नीचर, मैच स्टिक्स, प्लाईवुड, डोर्स, स्पोर्ट्स गुड्स एंड टॉयज। बहुत सारे अलग अलग कामों में लिया जाता है। सो लंबरिंग इज डन ऑन ए लार्ज स्केल। द सॉफ्टवुड ऑफ द कॉनिफेरस इज वाइडली यूज्ड, जो इसका सॉफ्ट वुड है उसको वाइडली यूज करते हैं पल्प, पेपर, फर्नीचर, मैच स्टिक्स, प्लाईवुड, डोर्स, स्पोर्ट्स गुड्स एंड टॉयज बनाने में। आफ्टर दैट, नाउ द नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट इज आफ्टर फॉरेस्ट्स, द नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट इज ग्रासलैंड्स। Dear students, grasslands are mostly found in regions of low rainfall. जहां पे rainfall कम होता है वहां पे grasslands पाए जाते हैं। As the amount of rainfall decreases, forests give place to grasslands. अगर rainfall का amount कम होता जाएगा तो जो forests हैं वो धीरे धीरे grasslands को place देते जाते हैं। और if we have to classify the grasslands of the world, then they are broadly classified into two types. Which one? So one is tropical grasslands. This is the one type of grasslands. Tropical grasslands, which are also called savanna, and these are found on either side of the equatorial region. वो इक्वेटोरियल रीजन के दोनों साइड पाए जाते हैं। एंड द एरियाज आर इन अफ्रीका, पार्ट्स ऑफ ब्राजीलियन प्लेटो, डेक्कन प्लेटो ऑफ इंडिया एंड नॉर्दर्न ऑस्ट्रेलिया। दीज आर द एरियाज where tropical grasslands are found and they are also known as savanna. These grasslands are known by different names. इसके अलग अलग नाम हैं अलग अलग एरियाज में। So they are known by different names in the different parts of the world. For example, Parkland in America, Llanos in Venezuela, and Campos in Brazil, Uruguay and Argentina. ये जो grasslands हैं, tropical grasslands, which are also known as savanna, they are known by different names in the different parts of the world. If you are in America, then the name is Parkland. If you are in Venezuela, then the name is Llanos. If you are in Brazil, Uruguay or in Argentina, the name is Campos. So different parts of the world, different names. After that, In areas where Mediterranean forests are found, the temperature is high and the total annual rainfall ranges between 25 centimeter to 75 centimeter. ये मेडिटेरेनियन फॉरेस्ट के जो रीजन है, एरियाज हैं, वहां पे टेम्परेचर थोड़ा हाई है, ज्यादा है, और जो टोटल एनुअल रेनफॉल है वो 25 सेंटीमीटर से 75 सेंटीमीटर के बीच में है. सो इट रेंजेस बिटवीन 25 सेंटीमीटर एंड 75 सेंटीमीटर. And you know, this amount of rainfall is too moist for desert. ये desert के लिए बहुत moist है, लेकिन forest के लिए too dry. मतलब इतना rainfall desert के लिए बहुत बेहतर है, moist है, लेकिन अगर इसी rainfall को forest के लिए देखा जाए तो it is dry, it is too dry. So this amount of rainfall is too moist for a desert and too dry for a forest. So tall grasses are here, about 2 meter to 4 meter in height. तो 2 से 4 मीटर के हाइट में होते हैं, with scattered trees. वहां पे ट्रीज भी हैं लेकिन बहुत scattered है, दूर दूर हैं. They also grow here. Most of the tropical grasslands are now used for grazing and farming. ज्यादातर एरिया जो ट्रॉपिकल ग्रासलैंड्स का है वो ग्रेजिंग फॉर द कैटल्स, उसके लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, एंड फॉर फार्मिंग. एंड यू नो सम ग्रासलैंड्स हैव बिकम डेजर्ट्स बिकॉज ऑफ लो एंड वेरी लो रेनफॉल. दीज ग्रासलैंड्स आर होम टू अ लार्ज वेराइटी ऑफ एनिमल्स. बहुत लार्ज वेराइटी ऑफ एनिमल्स के लिए होमलैंड है ट्रॉपिकल. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्रॉपिकल ग्रासलैंड्स. This is the one type of grassland. Now the another type, that is temperate grassland, dear students. This one is other type of grassland. First one was tropical grasslands, and this one is temperate grassland. So they are found in the middle latitudes, in the interior of the continents. ये middle latitudes में पाए जाते हैं, continents के interior में पाए जाते हैं. ये जो एरियाज हैं, दे आर लेवल, दे आर ट्रीलेस प्लेन्स, एंड दे आर फाउंड बिटवीन 40 डिग्री एंड 55 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड्स इन द बोथ द हेमिस्फीयर. ये जो एरियाज हैं वो लेवल हैं, ट्रीलेस प्लेन्स हैं, एंड दे आर फाउंड बिटवीन 40 डिग्री एंड 55 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड्स इन द both the hemisphere, in northern hemisphere also and in southern hemisphere also. And you know, these grasslands have different names in different parts of the world. Like if you are in Europe, the name is steppe. If you are in North America, name is prairie. If you are in South America, name is pampas. If you are in South Africa, name is veld. And if you are in Australia, name is down. So steppe in Europe, prairie in North America, pampas in South America, veld in South Africa, and down in Australia. These are the different names of temperate grasslands in different parts of the world. Okay, now the rainfall in areas where temperate grasslands are found is not sufficient for the growth of trees. ये जो temperate grassland के जो areas हैं वहां पे rainfall बहुत कम है. They are not sufficient, इसलिए वहां पे trees नहीं होते. Rainfall is not sufficient for the growth of trees. Thus short grasses grow everywhere. तो वहां पे ट्रीज नहीं ग्रो करते because of rainfall, very low rainfall. तो वहां पे short grasses ग्रो करते हैं चारों तरफ. And these grasslands are most suitable for cattle and sheep rearing. Cattle और sheep rearing के लिए सबसे बेहतर प्लेस है ये. In many areas, extensive farming is practiced for the cultivation of wheat and corn. एक्सटेंसिव फार्मिंग यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस में आता है, और दे ग्रो व्हीट एंड कॉर्न. सो These grasslands are more suitable for cattle and sheep rearing. In many areas, extensive farming is practiced for the cultivation of wheat and corn. So dear students, we have discussed about few forests and we have discussed about different types of grassland. Mainly what we have discussed, which I want to repeat one time in very short, that mainly we have discussed today two different types of forests. They were Mediterranean forests, which are found around the Mediterranean Sea. Main areas in the Mediterranean Europe is Europe, Africa and Asia. Other areas outside the Mediterranean region are California, Central Chile, Southwest Africa and Southwest Australia. Then main trees are oak, olive, fig, pine, fir, kedar and cypress. Nuts, olive oil and citrus fruits are produced here. In citrus fruits, mainly oranges, figs, olives, grapes, peaches and plums are grown, plums are produced. Next one was coniferous forests. They are also known as taiga, lying between 50° north and 70° north and in the regions of high altitude, or they are found around the North Polar region. Main plants are spruce, pine, fir, larch, kedar and hemlock. Lumbering is done on a high scale. These forests have commercial value, great commercial value. Grasslands, areas where low rainfall occurs, or you can say grasslands are mostly found in the regions of low rainfall. They are of two types. One is tropical grassland, which are also known as savanna, and another one was temperate grasslands, which are known by different names in different parts of the world. So dear students, that's all for today. Please read all the topics carefully. So now we will meet in next class. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.